Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, what we have bullish breakout. So where the trend is up. Last time bullish breakout happened right here, you see, and then we went up. So this is your bullish breakout. Coming back to daily chart, this was your entry. This candle is your entry, but now there's a problem in USDJPY and USD CAD. These two are dangerous pairs in trending markets. Okay, because they don't give you opportunity to take a trade. You will keep waiting for the pullback. That will never happen, and the price will move maybe 2000 pips. Okay, so coming back to 4 hour here, this was your entry. Okay, this candle is your entry. So that's this entry or that's entry. This is your entry. Okay, so this is your entry. Go for long. That's it. Okay, 1:2. That's it. Right in front of your eyes. That's your entry. That's your trade. Okay, so if you're looking for more opportunities, I don't think you will get it. You were expecting maybe more deeper pullback. That did not happen. So coming back to daily. Okay, so the more textbook price action will be that we have to wait for the rejection from the EMA. Okay, so red candle until the EMA rejection, then blue candle, then we go long. Okay, that's the textbook price action, but you never know. Okay, I have explained in my USD CAD video that USD CAD and USD JPY, these are dangerous pairs in trending market. If you can catch the move, you can get 1000 2000 pips pretty easily in 1 month, or maybe in just 20 days, in 2 weeks. Okay, in 2 weeks you can easily get 1000 pips if you can catch the move in the trending market. Okay, but it might never give you the opportunity to get into the trade because you will be waiting for the pullback. That will never happen. Okay, so right now look for longs. That's all I have to say. Entry, I guess this was your entry, or maybe this, you wait for the rejection from the EMA once again. So maybe one more time you wait in 4 hour until the price rejects the EMA, then blue candle, and then you go up. Okay, so for the time being, I think this might be taking a pullback. All right, so go ahead and make your call as per the 4 hour, right? 4 hour, if I would be you, I'll still wait for the rejection from the EMA. Okay, and then look for longs. Trend is strong. Trend is super uptrend. Okay, and again, USDJPY, USD CAD don't give you a chance to get in. All right, so be careful and decide for yourself. Subscribe, like, share the video, and join free Telegram. That's mandatory. and join the brokers and everything. And I am, I think, going to launch a manual swing trading course in next couple of weeks. Maybe that's my plan as of now. Maybe I can change my mind. I don't know. And I will be the first human on the planet to teach you manual swing trading in the most simple method ever possible. And anybody can do it. You might have heard this word from every YouTuber, maybe, or maybe everybody who's selling the course, that anybody can do it, beginner can do it, very simple. Those are those words they use for sales. I don't even have a course yet. I have nothing to sell you yet. I mean, I don't have a manual trading course yet. Okay, I'm planning on it. Because you know what, I will not give you like 10 hours content, or you have to work maybe 1 hour 2 hour per day in swing. No, what I will teach you, that will hardly take maybe 1 hour of teaching. Once you learn that, it will take you like maybe half an hour every day to scan through 10-15 pairs. And if you scan 10-15 pairs in half an hour, you get one opportunity in daily chart. That's good enough. Okay, so I know it, because I have created my software as well. Below the video you can see that the trading software which does trading and automation. Okay, if I can create that using my mind, and that's the only software on the planet which does swing trading and automation, then imagine if I will teach swing trading manually in my course. Okay, so I'm very excited about it, because initially I until 6 months ago I was thinking that I should not be giving away this knowledge to people, even for money. Let's say somebody comes and gives me $10,000 and say, okay, teach me. I was saying, why would I teach you? I can make more than 10,000 with my knowledge. Okay, but then I think in last few days, this has been coming in my mind that yeah, you can make money, but people don't. And the reason I want to create my course is only because it will not be a lengthy course. People teach this, that, 8 hours course, 10 hours course, 20-hour course. If I have to only sell you content that, okay, my course is 20 hours long, pay me this kind of money, I don't want to do that. I will only teach you what really I do. This check these 4 or 5 things, and your trade is cooked and your trade is ready to go. Okay, so that will if I have to teach you, I could teach you in 5 minutes as well. Well, I will take my time in my training, and maybe that video will be 1 hour long maximum. Okay, but imagine if you go through 1 hour long video, and then you can learn swing trading manually, and you can do that rest of your life. That makes sense. And I'll be again repeating myself, I'll be the first human on the planet to simplify swing trading. Nobody else on the planet can make it more simpler. This is my open challenge. We will see that in the times to come. Till then, subscribe, like, join free Telegram, join brokers. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.